Hello friends, today we are going to talk about lymph. Lymph. So lymph is nothing but actually arteries carry the pure blood and supply to the blood capillaries. In these blood capillaries, give the blood to the cells. Actually, cells around what is there means blood capillaries. Okay. So in the blood capillaries, actually give supply to the blood and the nutrients and supply to the energy, everything to the cells. After this, cells after metabolic reaction produce what means carbon dioxide as well as waste product has to move to where vein. It is easy to understand. So arteries supply the blood to the cells and these cells can release the carbon dioxide and as well as the waste product, everything move to the vein. Okay. In between the area, in these blood capillaries, some amount of fluid, extracellular fluid, not intracellular, some extracellular fluid has to secrete it. In these extracellular fluid has moved into the lymphatic capillary. Actually, see here, 90% of the tissue fluid only back into the blood. 90%. The tissue has to secrete some fluid. It is called tissue extracellular fluid. So tissue secrete the fluid is called what? So it is a extracellular tissue fluid. In this fluid, 90% tissue fluid back into blood, return to vein. But 10% of the tissue extracellular fluid only return to the lymphatic capillaries. And this lymphatic capillaries supply the lymph, carry the lymph into where means into the lymph node. Actually, lymph is contained what? Lymph is absence of RBC, but instead of what is that means glucose, protein, salt, WBC is the main, very important. WBC mainly present in the lymph and water and as well as plasma albumin and plasma globulin. Plasma albumin, plasma globulin is present. Okay, and this lymphatic capillary has carried the lymph into the lymphatic vessel, large vessel. Here valve is there. Because in the vessel, particularly vein and lymph only has wall, but artery no wall. This is very very important. So in the wall, as pump the to make a movement in the front side of the lymph. Okay, so the lymph is moves to the lymph node. How many lymph node our body means? Approximately 800 lymph node is present. Lymph node it is located where? Lymph node location where means neck region, armpit region, chest region, abdomen region, groin region. Groin means in the place of the where the legs is connected our in the hip, particularly in the thigh regions. Okay, so in this region has more amount of lymph node. Approximately how many lymph node means 800. Okay, so in the lymph node is contained what means WBC, more WBC is there. So actually, what is the main function of the lymph node means? Lymph is a filter. Lymph filtered by lymph node. So lymph node filter the lymph. So because in the lymph has more amount of bacteria, any pathogen is there, mean it is a killed and digested by WBC in the lymph node. So the lymph node means like a filter, T filter. So it filter the lymph. After filtration of the lymph is going to where mean is going to the vein. Okay, particularly superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. It carry the blood where means in the right atrium. So the lymph return to the impure blood into the right atrium. So what is the main means? So lymph means very easy. Okay, so tissue extracellular fluid 90% back into the blood vessel, again vein, but 10% only return to the lymph, and these lymph also lastly where it is mixing means mixed into the blood also. So okay, so mixed into, so it goes to where? Goes to the vein. So in between, what is the function of the lymph? I told you. Okay, so lymph is a no RBC is very important. That's why lymph is what color means? Lymph is a white color like a WBC. Okay, it contains glucose, protein, salt, water, WBC, water, plasma, albumin, and globulin. WBC is very very important because it is a filter the bacteria and kill the bacteria where means in the place of the lymph node. So in the lymph node, more amount of the WBC is present, as well as the lymph node has supplies more number of other lymphatic vessels are connected here. Okay, if you have any doubt, mention in this review. Okay, if you like me, just to subscribe to Sidhu Bayarji. Thank you to all. And these videos, I post the videos, lymph as well as whatever is there. It is used for all peoples, particularly metric students and board students, CBSE, Tamil Nadu board and all state board, and as well as IB students. Because just I mentioned only in concept oriented, easy to clear. Thank you.